Hi, this is Orion, and this is my sugar crystal experiment. Um, I have a bowl of sugar. I have string, four sticks, four glasses, and tape, and I have a kettle and some dye. 2 cups of boiling hot water, 3.5 cups of sugar. I'm going to pour this into the sugar. We're going to stir it. Now I'm going to pour this into the cup. Looks so purple, it's cool. We attach the strings on the stick with tape and put it on the glass with tape. So I'm going to do the same with this one, and you will see. It's been a week and 3 days, and it has not crystallized a bit. So we're going to keep it in a nice cool place in our pantry to help it. About a half a cup of water and a whole cup of sugar, and I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of sugar in this at a time, and I will use this spoon to stir it. And we're starting, and until the sugar can no longer dissolve. So, and when it can no longer dissolve, that means it's saturated. One teaspoon should. Still some. Maybe a couple. 2 teaspoons. I'm guessing it'll be saturated at about 5 teaspoons. Not saturated. 3rd teaspoon. Okay, 3rd teaspoon. Okay, 3rd teaspoon dissolved. Now, 4th teaspoon. Not saturated yet, and this is what I think will be the final teaspoon. It's dissolved. The sixth teaspoon. Okay. I think now last teaspoon. It's the 7th teaspoon, and I don't think it'll be saturated yet. I'm very. Looks like it's saturated. Saturated. Boom. 7 minutes saturated. 7 Science Sugar Experiment Part 2.
Sorry. 1 or 2 cup sugar, 1 or 2 cup water. 3 or 4 cup sugar, 1 or 2 cup water. One cup sugar, 1 or 2 cup water. One 4 cup sugar, 1 or 2 cup water.
Now I'm going to put 2 drops of food coloring into each one. Kind of looks like the 7-Eleven slushie. Looks very interesting. Is really red with a bit of sugar on the bottom. This one is like pinkish with a little bit more sugar on the bottom. This one has a layer of red on the top with like a pinkish pink lemonade on the bottom with a lot of sugar. And this one has a super red top with a very luscious pink and a lot of sugar on the bottom. Day 2. The first one, which is the least amount of sugar, isn't forming any crystals. The one with a bit more sugar is forming no crystals again. Neither was this one either, but this one is forming a lot of sugar crystals. Well, to me. So this is day 2. This is a week after our presentation. We can't go 2 weeks because we didn't have enough time. This is the half a cup of sugar. Nothing. This is the cup of sugar. 3/4 of sugar, sorry. Nothing, almost nothing again. Probably still nothing. 1 cup of sugar. Looks like a bit of crystals.
Yeah.
1 1/4. Sorry.
From Legend of Zelda.
Ooh. Alright, so we have a bit, like none. There's none here, a bit here, and almost one full here. This is the end of my science project.